we go down. This is the elevator at JCPenney at Battlefield Mall in Springfield, Missouri. It's a Dover with traditional fixtures. Coming up?
Yep, going to 3.
Alrighty. Have a good day.
You too.
Alrighty. There's your fixtures. Phone is right down here. It's an ADA compliant phone. There we go. Here's your fixtures. Dover traditional. Capacity 4,000 pounds. There's your indicator right here above the door, and here's your lantern. Let's go down to 1. I didn't get a chance to film this elevator last time, and I believe it was out of order last time I came here. That, or I just didn't see it. Let's go up to 2, since 3 is an office level. Here we are at 2. Let's go back down to 1, and we'll get a cab view. Immediately starts moving after it closes. It's a very nice elevator. Got that nice wood grain to it. Here we are at 2. Or 1, rather. I said 2. In fact, that'll be where we'll end it off. It's got quite the delay going up. And if the fan wasn't running, we'd be able to hear that motor a little better. Here we are at 2. There it goes. And that's it.